AG Labs, AG Forensics, my name is Ben. Hello and welcome to the Microsoldering Show on this beautiful Friday, the 10th of January 2020. And I'm here to just show you the next repair. We got an iPhone 8 mailed in by a customer, and the customer tells us that he doesn't have any touch and the phone just doesn't want to charge. The first thing we do in that case is using our ICC Pro for checking the USB control IC and the lightning flags. We go on hands and we just use the ICC Pro. That's a special color just for us, just a little fun we had here in the company. Okay, we do test and see for the result. Okay, IC test, and this looks pretty good. TriStar Hydra. Okay, so let's check what about that device. Why we have no touch and why the phone doesn't want to charge. Okay, let's open up that. Okay, somebody already changed the battery. The battery is crap, so we have to put it away. Somebody already tried to change the screen. It's not an original one. Okay, that looks not good, not good. But I have already an idea why the touch does not work. Okay, there are different screws in here, some screws which happen to be here. Here we got a wrong screw in. Okay, I don't know why people work in that way, but okay, here on the top there is a screw missing. The device isn't glued correctly. So, okay, let's see under the microscope, because if USB control IC is okay and we have no charge and somebody already worked on. Okay, I already see one problem. I already see here. See that? The MOSFET. You see that? The MOSFET is loose. This MOSFET is okay, but this is loose. And yeah, you see that? The ground pins here. One ground pin is just completely in here. So, and this one too, and this one too. So I'm pretty sure, if I now, and I showed you this solution month ago for the iPhone 8, you see the cable is wrong in the wrong way too. It's crazy. Okay, I'm sure if I don't connect the home button, I got touch. I'm sure about that. And I just want to show you that. So let's see if we get a boot. We get a boot, but it's a poor screen. You see it on the colors and on the brightness. Here is our free time launcher Andy. Normally he has to work. He comes in with a big tüte of eat. That's not good. Normally all people should work in here. You can try this, yes. But carefully, and ask Andy for Handschuhe. And you see the touch is working. Touch is working if I don't connect the home button. So the first problem is solved by that. This solution I gave you a month ago. Have a look at my other videos on YouTube and on my Instagram feed. You will find it there. Long time ago I gave you this solution. Okay. You just have to pull out this ground pin. Yeah, like this. And the same on this side, and the same here, and the same here. Getting the pins out. Okay, now I just want to try if the touch works again. This is just really a fast fix. And I have to mount the cable right later. I don't understand why people doing shit like that. So, okay, just start again. Okay, we see an apple.
What did you do?
An iPhone 8 with a ripped up MOSFET and a and contacts on the home button FPC, because he has used a poor screen. But perhaps this is a screen with an iPhone 7 backlight, then the pins will be plugged up again and you will have the problem again. But that's okay, the touch is working. So solve that by just getting back the pins of the home button connector at the right point. Here you see it. That's okay. And now we just have to fix the problem for no charge. I give you on hands and just a little bit of flux. And what is really important, that you disconnect all the FPCs and getting up the gun. Okay. Okay, got it out. You see the pads are there. Often the pads are ripped off. In this case, the pads are still there. So not bad at all. Because we don't have to. Now I just want to check if the connection is good. So we should have a connection from here to here, and that's pretty okay. That's pretty okay. So if the connection is good, we can use it. But I often saw that connection was there, and after fixing the problem, eine Stunde. Nein. Nein, wurde telefonisch beauftragt. Ask Andy, I told you, ask Andy for diese Wärmeschutzhandschuhe. Hatten wir genug? That was just a little bit too much of flux, but I will clean it. Okay. We had these thermal Handschuhe, ich meine. Yeah. So I will clean it later for all the flux. So. Okay, prevently, I just set a jumper. Did you get one? I will have a look as soon as I have finished the video. So that's okay. It's always better to set a jumper here, so you can be 100% sure that the error has been solved by doing that. Okay. Just want to seal that a little bit. Okay, using UV light. And now we just need a MOSFET. I have to take a look where we got them. Bei dir? Andi?
Was denn?
Ah, ich habe gedacht, du hast gesagt bei mir, die MOSFETs fürs iPhone 8.
Nee, die müssen eigentlich da oben stehen.
Okay, then I just take a look again, like always, and here they are.
Nee, hast du noch Beta? Beta. Vorne.
Great, looks good. Well connected. Okay, I will clean it up again later. And now we just try if our repair was successful. So now
Dear people, please clean your MacBooks.
okay, do you see that? That's really ugly. But do that outside.
Yeah.
The first cleaning outside
There's a wall
at the
tie here.
yeah.
I'll do that right now.
So now I just connect the battery and
Okay, hast du Luft?
Luft aus der Dose haben wir drüben an den Schulungstischen.
Okay.
And what do we get now? Just wait, and we see charging symbol. That's okay. Let's take a look for the current flow. Yeah, 1.8 amps. 1.8 amps. You see that? Can you see it? Yes. Okay. It's fully working again. 1.8 amps. So I think that's pretty good. The phone charges. Just want to show you, perhaps I got another battery with which I can show you that the device is booting up and working in the fully way again. Okay, we connect that and hope that this battery, yeah, boom, back to life again. iPhone 8 after no touch and no charge because of a ripped off MOSFET and a bad connector, bad home button connector, bad touch ID connector. So now the phone is back to life again and the customer can access to his important data and can use the phone in the fully way again. If you want to learn things like that easily, and you see charging symbol and we got percentage on the top. Okay, I don't have connected the ambient light sensor, but you see it just works and that's pretty okay. So home button works too, touch works, all is nice. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you want to learn things like that easily, you can do that at the Bottle Repair School Germany. And if you are working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can just join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Germany. I would be happy if you would do that, but please answer the questions, otherwise you won't be accepted for the group. I'm out, we see us with the next repair, and I forgot to tell you, just buy an ICC Pro. Every technician in the world needs this device. I'm out, boom, back to life again. Here's Ben.